Today at Secret Super Chef we have famous Hyderabadi Mirchi Ka Salan. This recipe is specifically made using the recipe given by the Khansama that used to work for my grandpa. It is a very authentic recipe, so do try this recipe and I'm sure you'll definitely love it. I have used the green big chilies here, but you can also use brinjals to make the Bengan Ka Salan. For this recipe, I've taken 8 big green chilies that come in the season. I have de-seeded them and soaked them in water for half an hour. Heat a pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil, and into it add 1 big sliced onion. Let's saute the onion on medium flame. While our onions are still frying, let's add few curry leaves. Let the curry leaves fry for some time. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Let them fry along with the onions. The most important ingredient for this recipe is onion seeds or kalonji. Add 1 tablespoon and fry it. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry the paste nicely till the raw smell disappears. Let's add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, one-fourth teaspoon turmeric powder. Adjust the salt as per your taste and fry the dry spices thoroughly. Now we are going to add our green chilies and fry them. Make sure to keep the flame low so that our masala does not get burnt, and simultaneously our chilies also get fried. Keep stirring continuously. In between, keep turning the chilies as well so that they get fried from all the sides. Once you notice these blisters on the chilies, that means they are nicely fried. Let's prepare a masala paste using roasted peanuts, coconuts and sesame seeds. Here I've taken handful of peanuts, 4 tablespoons sesame seeds and 4 tablespoons dry coconut that I have tawa roasted them. Transfer the dry ingredients into a mixer jar and make a nice paste. Do not add a lot of water, we need a thick paste. Gradually add this paste along with the chilies and fry this paste. You can add little water so that the masala does not stick at the bottom. But first, all we have to do is fry this masala along with the chilies. I have not added any green chilies because my chilies are very spicy, but if you wish to, you can add 1 or 2 green chilies. While the masala is frying, you can adjust the salt and the spices as per your taste. After almost 30 minutes, you'll notice that our masala has nicely got fried and has changed its color to nice golden brown. Add little water. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon thick tamarind paste. Add a small piece of jaggery too. Little jaggery is added to settle down the tartness and the acidity of the chilies. So make sure you're adding little. Cover and let it cook till the gravy thickens. You can adjust the consistency of the gravy as per your thickness. But remember, this is a thick gravy dish. Our amazing Hyderabadi Mirchi Ka Salan is all ready. Though I would suggest to have this the next day because the flavors really enhance the next day. We usually have this with biryani, but you can have this with plain steamed rice, and they go pretty well with normal chapatis too. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.